In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Brave browser. Keeping a backup of your browser data is one of the best ways to protect important information such as bookmarks and saved passwords. Whether you're planning to switch computers, reinstall your operating system, or simply want extra peace of mind, creating a backup ensures that your valuable browsing data can be restored whenever needed. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of backing up both your bookmarks and saved passwords in Brave browser. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click on the main menu icon. This will open a list of available options and settings. From the menu, move your cursor over Bookmarks and Lists. When the additional options appear, select Open Bookmarks Manager. This section contains all of the bookmarks you've saved over time and provides tools for organizing and managing them. After the Bookmarks Manager opens, look toward the upper right area of the page and click the menu button represented by 3 dots. This menu contains several bookmark management options. From the list, choose Export Bookmarks. As soon as you select this option, a File Explorer window will appear. You can now choose where you would like to save your bookmark backup file. Browse to your preferred folder, whether that's your desktop, Documents folder, or another location that's easy for you to access later. If you'd like, you can also rename the file to make it easier to identify in the future. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your bookmarks will now be exported and stored safely on your computer. Next, let's create a backup of your saved passwords. Return to the upper right corner of Brave and open the main menu once again. This time, move your cursor over Passwords and Autofill, then select Password Manager from the available options. Once the Password Manager opens, look at the left side of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains additional password management features, including the ability to export your saved login information. Within the Settings area, locate the Export Passwords option. Beside it, you'll find a Download File button. Click this button to begin creating your password backup. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to choose where the password file will be saved. Select a secure location on your computer, choose a file name if necessary, and then click Save. Your saved passwords will now be exported and stored as a backup file. And that's it. You've successfully created backups of both your bookmarks and saved passwords in Brave browser, helping ensure that your important browsing data remains protected and available whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.